These foolish birds landed on a high-voltage power line for the first time, but the next moment they were hit with a powerful electric shock. Meanwhile, the crow exclaimed, "Dude, it seems this process is beneficial for the body because it relieved all their stress." While they were discussing this, a pigeon landed near them. Seeing this, the crow immediately offered it a taste of the fun, but the strong shock drove the pigeon crazy. Meanwhile, a squirrel arrived, but when the pigeon saw the squirrel, it screamed in fear, mistaking it for a wild cat. Everyone laughed loudly and mocked the pigeon. The squirrel joined them, but just then, another electric shock suddenly struck, causing the squirrel to go crazy, so much so that it even thought